Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you have never been here before, my name is Matt Bogosian, and I'm actually a real estate agent in the Middle Tennessee area. I make a lot of boring real estate videos, and I have fun with them, I do, but I wanted to switch things up a little bit, and this is kind of a cool way for me to look at that house. Holy moly. This is a cool way for me to show you guys what it's like here in Tennessee, and also kind of have fun at the same time. So today's ride, we are starting out in Maury County, and I'm at the beginning of Flat Creek Road, right off of Highway 431 or Lewisburg Pike. And this is a beautiful ride, so I wanted to take you guys along with me. It is such an enjoyable ride on a motorcycle. And this first part is probably the worst part. It gets even better towards the end, so I am riding today on a DRZ400 dual sport motorcycle slash dirt bike. I love this thing. Big tree down right there. Wow. If you haven't lived in Tennessee before, I'll tell you, we get some just hellacious storms. It is, we have a lot of beautiful sunny days like today though, but we also have a lot of heavy rainstorms with high winds, tornado warnings, and all that jazz. So it's an interesting place to live. I love it though. So I personally live in College Grove, which is in Williamson County. Look at that house, guys. I feel like Flat Creek Road back here is like the quintessential, just the American dream. Like, this is what people want to move to Tennessee for, in my opinion. Maybe not all of you. Maybe you got some city folk on here. It's so funny me saying that. I used to think I just wanted to live like in the city in a high-rise, and now I live on 9 acres out in the country. But just look how beautiful this is. Nice old barn. So comment below, guys, where you're from, and if you're thinking about making the move here to Tennessee. I'm just kind of curious. And then if you're just a DRZ400 fan, let me know that as well. Oh wow, so beautiful. I told you guys it's beautiful out here. It's like some of this land, I hope they don't sell it. Of course, my career is built on, I guess, people selling properties and people buying them, but it's just too nice back here. I really would hate to see them sell it. But there's so much farmland back here, like this to the right. Look at that. I mean, it just, something tells me eventually people are going to start dumping this property, because people are going to offer way too much money, and maybe it changes hands from someone's parents or grandparents to the kids, and they don't live here and they don't care and they just sell it. I guess that's how it happens. Big silo off to the right. Hey there, Bubba. I love it. That guy just waved to me. Did you guys see that? That's what's so great about Tennessee. What a beautiful day it is today. It is April of 2022, and I kind of in between some things right now. I got a couple listings coming up. I'm working with some buyers who aren't ready today, and so I just wanted to get out really quick and enjoy this weather and show you guys this beautiful scenic Tennessee back road. I guess scenic is all relative. I mean, to me it's scenic because like that right there is a barn dominium, I think, and I think that's awesome. I wonder if he'd let me do a tour of that thing. Maybe it's just a regular barn. Old cemetery off to the right. There's a little house right there. Wow, check out this barn coming up here to the right. It looks like it's leaning to the right. That is not my GoPro. That barn is actually leaning to the right. It's still up though. Coming up to Cross Keys Road here on the left. I can take that home after I finish up here. Another big field. Another thing about Tennessee, you will see the American flag flying in front of a lot of people's houses. You get a lot of proud people here, proud to be Americans. Oh, this section is great, guys, right here. It's like a couple S-curves. Go over a creek. The DRZ just keeps chugging. Wishes it had a sixth gear, but it doesn't. It does pretty good on these back roads though. I think I'm probably, you guys can probably see my speedometer, but it stays in the nice, in the power band. Very cool creek off to the left. Yeah, so, you know, I made this YouTube channel. Originally, the thought was, okay, you need to market yourself, and why not show people what it's like to live in Tennessee and have fun at the same time. So you'll see I've got some videos where I'm mountain biking. I've got a couple rides on my DRZ. And then I got videos where maybe I'll visit, you know, a business or just sit in front of my desk and talk about different things. It's harder than it looks to get out and actually make a video, guys. Like, it's so easy to sit in front of your desk, and I see a lot of YouTubers do that because it's so much easier. You get your lighting set up, you get your background set up, and then that's it. You can just sit down, record, and you're done. When you try to record out and about, there are so many things that you run into. Mostly noise and sunlight. Oh my gosh, the sun just can kill a video. Oh gosh, so once again, we're on Flat Creek Road right now. We're probably well into College Grove by now. We might, it started in Maury County, it went into Williamson County, and we'll probably end up in Marshall County towards the end. It's not much longer, guys, so stick with me. Yeah, you see guys out working on their farm. Beautiful. Everything is like, we're in the heart of springtime, so everything's starting to grow. I mean, look how green it is here. Oh, that tree on the right is huge. Whoa. I feel so fortunate to live near these back roads. I just really enjoy them. Such a fun time driving around here. Oh, we got some nice houses up here. Right here in the corner, a new house. And it's another white farmhouse. That floor plan just looks so familiar. I mean, I think pretty much everybody's building them. And I understand why. Because they look so awesome. Look at that house to the right. What a beautiful property. Wow. Coming up, little pond on the right. Old farm. I always wonder with these old farm buildings like that, like, why don't they keep them up? Did they just fall down? I guess so. Guys, I want to take you guys down that road at some point, Fuller Road. Slow down a little bit. Whoop. That came up on me. Okay, so we're at Henry Horton Highway. Let me go right here. Okay. Guys, that's it. That's a wrap. I wanted to show you guys Flat Creek Road. I hope you enjoyed that ride. If you haven't already, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I promise I will make as many cool videos as I can for you guys. So, thank you, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.